Je suis un élève.
What language is that?
French.
Êtes-vous Madame Duval? Non.
It's a hard French?
Well, it's the language of international diplomacy.
Non, je ne suis pas Madame Duval. Répétez.
Non, je ne suis pas Madame Duval.
It's nice French.
Êtes-vous Mademoiselle Dubois?
You know, your husband's a real cutie.
He's leaving tomorrow.
Oh?
Non, je ne suis pas Mademoiselle Dubois.
No,
Non, je ne suis pas
Mademoiselle
Duval.
Êtes-vous Monsieur de Gaulle?
Êtes-vous...
Have you seen my wallet?
Je ne suis pas Monsieur de Gaulle.
No, je ne suis pas Monsieur de Gaulle.
Alors,
I can't find my wallet.
Qui êtes-vous?
We go this way. Yes, it used to be beautiful. What with the rackets, whoring, guns. Sometimes things would happen. I'd have to kill a few people. I'd feel bad for a while, but then I'd jump into the ocean, swim way out, come back in feeling nice and clean, start all over again.
I never seen the Atlantic Ocean till just now.
The Atlantic Ocean was something then. Yes, you should have seen the Atlantic Ocean in those days.
Come on.
Oh. There's your hotel.
I could like it here. You can breathe.
They used to call Atlantic City the lungs of Philadelphia.
If we stay here long enough, we could be the nose of Philadelphia.